this is Chelsea with Jim Reynolds Asphalt. We're here at Gould's Discount Medical parking lot off of DuPont Road. We're so excited. We're about to do this whole parking lot. It's 80,000 square feet. I've personally been a part of Jim Reynolds Asphalt since 2013. So I stepped in as vice president underneath my father, who's the owner as well as CEO of the company, Samuel Ellis, as well as Jim. He was my mentor as well. And I can truly say it's been amazing learning so much business skills, so many people skills, as well as sales from my father.
Definitely a big goal of ours that we told our great uncle, Jim Reynolds, the one who started this company, that we was going to take this business to another level. We promised our uncle this company was going to be a legacy, that we was going to make it where it could reach generation to generation to generation. And now we're on our third generation with Chelsea Ellis, president. And when we say we're going to do something, we do it. Yeah, I've been in the pavement maintenance industry for over 30 years. Yeah, Jim Reynolds Asphalt Seal Coating, we provide pavement maintenance for commercial as well as residential, such as asphalt seal coating, asphalt repair. We use a new technology called infrared technology, where we can heat up asphalt in existence and make it look seamless, a seamless repair. Anything that's dealing with asphalt maintenance, we do.
To get more information on how to get in touch with Jim Reynolds Asphalt to either get an estimate or be a part of our team, you can go to our website at www.jimreynoldsasphalt.com, or you can call us at 502-494-1137.